How to draft. Composing a research essay requires multiple steps before the final product is ready to submit. The drafting step occurs when you are ready to write your actual analysis. The first stage in the drafting process is to gather your outline, notes, and research. You should not begin drafting unless you have all of your information readily available. Next, use your materials to begin your paragraphs. Your draft should include an introduction, body, and conclusion. You may find it most effective to start with your introduction. Free writing or writing your ideas quickly can help you place your most vivid ideas within the context of the essay. Once you have organized your initial ideas, you can insert citations from your research. These citations must be structured in the MLA style. Each citation added needs to support your original thoughts and ideas. Citing information that is irrelevant to your thesis will distract and confuse the reader, which will weaken your analysis. Once your original ideas and citations are complete, you can begin to create cohesion between your ideas. This stage may require you to rearrange, refine, add, or delete information, while adding transition words and phrases to connect ideas and clarify relationships. Once you feel your content is solid, you can proofread for spelling, grammatical, and mechanical errors. The last step in completing your draft is creating the MLA Works Cited page. This page lists all of the sources you cited within the text of your essay. The purpose of the Works Cited page is to give credit to the original authors of your cited information. Your completed draft should include the following elements: a well-written and engaging introduction, with your thesis statement as the last sentence in the introductory paragraph. A minimum of 3 body paragraphs, each paragraph emphasizing one of the supporting reasons within the thesis statement. A conclusion that summarizes your main points in a new way. A balanced mixture of original ideas and direct and indirect in-text citations. Citations formatted in correct MLA style. A works cited page that includes proper formatting and a list of the sources cited within the essay. A thorough and complete analysis of your topic. When you have finished your composition, take a moment to pat yourself on the back. Composing a research essay draft is a challenging task. You should feel proud of yourself for having completed a multi-dimensional essay.